Welcome to our Kitchentale! Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng spaghetti pasta for kids. It's an easy recipe. Here are the ingredients. 1 medium size of carrot, finely shredded. 7 pieces of hot dogs, cut into slices. Then, I use 175 grams corned beef. Then for the sauce, we need 135 grams tomato paste, 250 grams spaghetti sauce, and 170 grams evaporated milk. Gumamit din po ako ng 1/2 cup of ketchup, then 1/2 cup of cream cheese. For the seasoning naman po, I use 3 teaspoon garlic powder, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Then, gumamit din po ako ng 3 teaspoon of onion powder. Then, lastly po, 2 to 3 tablespoon of white sugar. Depende po sa tamis na gusto ninyo. Then, for the toppings naman po, I use 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. For the main ingredient, I use 500 grams of spaghetti pasta noodles. Ngayon po, let's do the procedure of how to cook this spaghetti. Okay, nagpakulo na po ako ng water. Ngayon po, lalagyan po natin ito ng 1 to 2 tablespoon of oil and 1 to 2 teaspoon of salt. Ito po yung nakagawian na po natin gawin sa pagluluto ng spaghetti. Ngayon po, isunod na po natin ilagay yung pasta. So what I did, I break the pasta into half. Ito po yung nakagawian ko ng pagluluto. Then, let it simmer po for about 7 to 10 minutes hanggang makuha po natin yung texture na lambot na gusto natin sa pasta. Ngayon po, eto na yung pasta. Now, sunod na po natin gawin ang pagluluto ng sauce. Then, let's pour some oil, 1 to 2 tablespoon po, to saute the following ingredients. Since yung gagawin nating spaghetti is for kids, hindi po tayo gumamit ng onion and garlic. So, inuna ko po yung corned beef and then hot dogs. Then, i-add po natin yung onion powder and garlic powder. Then, i-add na rin po natin yung pepper and salt. Then, let's add the carrots, which is finely shredded po ito para hindi nila mahalatang may gulay ang spaghetti. Ngayon po, i-add na natin yung spaghetti sauce. I use sweet style spaghetti sauce. Then, I add 1/4 cup of water. Then, isunod na po natin ilagay yung tomato paste. Then, yung milk. And then, I add a 1/2 cup of water. Then add the ketchup, cheese, and sugar. Well, some historians believe pasta originated in Italy. The earliest pasta known was made from rice flour and was common in the East. Spaghetti comes from the word spago, which translates in English to string or twine. In Italy, spaghetti, like all pasta, are generally cooked just to al dente, which means to the tooth, to create a slightly chewy texture rather than an overly soft consistency. Then let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Ngayon po, pwede na yung ating spaghetti sauce. Here's our finished product. Thank you for watching. God bless. Remember, Jesus loves you.